Okay, so before we get into too much detail with WordPress, I want to briefly give you more information, more detail on navigating your cPanel, your HostGator control panel. So these different tabs, like right here, is emails, domain names, and all that, metrics, all that stuff. Be able to track your website traffic. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. Come down here to domain names. So if you have the baby plan, you can do add-on domain names, and this is where you click right here. This will allow you to add on install WordPress on other domain names that you own. And it's the same process to connect the domain name. You just enter your same name servers when you purchase the domain name, do the custom servers, the custom DNS, and then enter your name servers that you got, same ones. That way it's linked to your HostGator account. Then all you do is come over here and enter that domain name. Simple installation, just like we just did. Now I'm going to show you what subdomain names are. So a subdomain name is, for example, if I have 𝘀𝗏𝗺𝗃, I own that domain. I want to put together something, another website around 𝘀𝗏𝗃. I can do like store 𝘀𝗏𝗃, and then what's going to do is I have this root domain of store at 𝘀𝗏𝗃.com. So this subdomain allows me, I can create another website on this subdomain. It could specifically be a store. Or I can create this domain name and do a redirect to an area on 𝘀𝗏𝗃.com. Now I hope I'm not confusing you, but so a subdomain name means that you, instead of having like www, you put like a new domain, a new subdomain, so store. It can be whatever you want it to be, and then you're able to create another website with that. So hopefully I didn't confuse you too much with that part, but now I just want to show you how to also create an email account with your WordPress website for your WordPress website. This is important to have. If you have a business, you want to have an email address, or use an email address ending in your website. It makes you look more professional versus using a Gmail or an Yahoo or something of that nature. You want to use an email address relating to your business account, your business website or whatever it is. That way, it's all about branding and looking more professional. So what we're going to do is we go over here to email accounts, and we'll have to create a new one. So, and you have unlimited emails. You can create as many emails as you want to. So all we see right here, very simple. All we do is we create what we want the front to be. So it can be your name at 𝘀𝗏𝗃.com, whatever you want your email to be, and it's going to end in 𝘀𝗏𝗃.com instead of like gmail.com or Yahoo. This way your branding is consistent if you're emailing other people. It has, you have that branding credibility and you look more professional. So you may want to do like a support at yourdomainname.com. And then you simply just put in your password, whatever you want that to be. Cannot type. Okay. And it'll tell you how strong your password is. And if they match. Okay, so my passwords do not match. Great. Alright, now they match. Okay. So we've done that. I would do mailbox quota. I would just change that to unlimited. That way we don't have to worry about anything. And then you simply just click create account. Alright, so now that you've done that, your account is created. So what now you see this right here, you have 𝘀𝗏𝗃, and like I said, you can create as many email accounts as you want to under your domain name. Then let me take a step back for a second. I'll show you how I got to here. Okay, so once you've created that email account, what you want to do is alright, alright, so let's come back over here. So what I did was one more tab. Okay, come down here, and you see where it says access webmail. You just simply click that. Then it'll take you to right here, which you shouldn't see this tab after the first time. I think it's like a tab for the first time you're logging into your email. And you just click right here to go to the secure webmail login. And then you can be able to choose your webmail provider through here, so you can change your email configurations. It doesn't really matter which one you use. Let's just say let's go with Roundcube. It's your webmail software, and this will be our default one. And we're gonna come right here to this email account, and obviously not gonna have any emails yet. It might have like a welcome email, but nothing else besides that. But now you can start using this email, so you can start emailing from your website email. And then what you want to do is you want to come back to your cPanel. You can come to the home page, and you want to come over to back to email. And then you're going to go over here to email forwarders. Now what an email forwarder is, it's going to mean that any emails that are sent to your support or whatever your email address is that you've registered, it's going to forward it to maybe an email address that you use more often. So you can have like your support at doggonhappy.emails. I can have that forwarded to like a Gmail address that I use more often, or Yahoo or AOL, whatever one I check most often. That way I don't miss any emails, and it comes to my phone just like all my other emails do. So to do that, all you simply do is add a forwarder. You just click create an email account forwarder, and so you click that, it'll load. Then you just click the address that you want forwarded, and so the only one I have right now is support, and then I'll do support, and then the email address I want it sent to is where you enter right here. So whatever your most common email address is, so it could be 𝗀𝗀𝗀@gmail.com, and you just enter that right here, and then you click add forwarder, and that'll be done. So since I've already done that, I'm not going to do it again, but that's all you would do is type the email address you want it sent to, and then click forwarder, and that will be done. But that's how you set up an email account, guys, for your website. And so if you have any questions on that or anything else, feel free to drop a question into the Facebook group, or you can reach me directly at support@wpcourseteacher.com. Once again, that's support@wpcourseteacher.com. And also leave my email address below this video. That way you can send me any information or any questions you may have so far on this course. Or even after you finish, feel free to send me a message thanking me or asking me for help. It doesn't really matter to me. But I'll see you guys in the next video.